wives and concubines of King Solomon. Grabe. How many wives? 700 wives and 300 concubines. Guys, don't say sana all. Yan tayo. At girls, huwag nyo rin nasayin na maging kabilang kayo doon kasi after 3 years, saka makakabalik si King Solomon sa inyo. Malungkot ang buhay.
Grabe, 700 wives.
So this is a Hebron road and it leads to Hebron or Kiryat Arba kung saan nakalibing si Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob together with their wives. So sa mga hindi pa nakarating ng Hebron, nandiyan yung Makpela, the burial site of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob together with their wives. So maganda marating nyo yan, ano? Hebron. The patriarchs and the matriarchs of Israel.